we are going to show you something very special with fun and magical way to do mathematics is called Vedic math.
Yes, many people think math is difficult and boring, but what if we told to ways solve big sums in just few seconds and even enjoy it? So today through our short skit we will show you how Vedic math make numbers your best friend, not your enemies.
Exactly. Vedic maths is an ancient Indian method of calculation. It helps solve problem in seconds.
Sir, we are scared of math. It was discovered by Sri Bharati Krishna Tirtha.
There are 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras in Vedic math.
Jagadguru Shankaracharya of Shringeri Peeth was the guru of Bharati Krishna Tirtha. Let's begin our journey into the magical of Vedic mathematics.
It's a normal day in the class and the students are worried about tomorrow's maths exam.
Oh no, I can't do big multiplication. Numbers are my nightmares. I take so long just to add two big numbers.
If only there was magic way to do math faster.
Good morning, my dear children. Why all are you so upset?
Good morning, sir. Sir, we are scared of math. It takes too long.
Don't worry. Today I show you some Vedic mix formula quickly, easy and fun.
Really? Vedic math?
Yes, Vedic maths is an ancient Indian method of calculation. It helps solve problem in seconds.
So it's from Indian? Wow.
Yes, from your Veda start some simple formula. Let's do 23 into 11. Add the digit. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. No place between them. What is the answer?
253. That's so easy. Let me try. 32 into 11. Answer is 352. And 45 into 11. Answer is 495. Wait, did we just without write the steps?
That's the magic of Vedic maths. Let's find 35 square. Take the first number 3, multiply it by the next number. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. Then write 25 next into 1225. 35 square is equal to 1225.
I will try 45 square. Answer is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Answer is 2025.
I can do 25 square. 2 into 3, 6. Answer is 625. Sir, I feel like a maths magician.
Multiply two digits. For that there is two rules. First number is same. Second number sum is 10. For example, 22 into 3, 28. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Answer is 616.
I can do 12 into 18. Answer 216. Sir, this is easy using a calculator. Now I will do 23 into 27. Answer is 621.
See children, Vedic maths makes your brain sharper and faster. It helps even in exam and in a real life.
It's our Asian gift to the world. It saves time and builds confidence. Now math is my favorite subject. I will show these formulas to my parents too.
Vedic maths is truly magical.
Vedic math is quick,